Hey guys, it's Mark here and today we're gonna talk about should you buy the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A or not? Coming right up. The Redmi Note 5A Prime. Yes, I forgot the Prime. I noticed that. It's actually not a bad phone. Like, judging by the specs itself, it's actually not too bad. Camera itself, I'm a bit disappointed. Like, when you zoom in, there's one photos in my previous video. I'll link it in the card up above. I don't know where. You can go check it out. There, one of the photo is a bit blurred. I noticed when you zoom in, I try to take a more depth effect type of photos, and it's got like the photo is a bit like shaken, but it's not shake. It's a great phone. Performance wise are actually not too bad, and you can play PUBG on it. But then on a higher setting, it will be not suggested. I think go for the lower setting and you'll be fine all the way. And I love one thing about the non-hybrid SIM tray. I do not like hybrid SIM tray. What is the function of the hybrid SIM tray when you have two SIM options and then you can't use two SIM and a micro SD? I mean, like, what's the point of having the two SIM card options? And for the battery life, it's actually not bad at all. I get like a full day use for normal day-to-day usage, and if you're gonna go for gaming, and gaming itself, well, it's gonna take more battery and your phone will get heated up pretty easily, which is pretty common thing among every Xiaomi phones. Aside from that, that's it guys, and if you do have any question, please do ask me anywhere on Twitter or Instagram or my Facebook page, and I'll drop the link down below. And do hit like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell button. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, bye!